For a person who has risen from the grassroots, an honor of this stature is certainly one of the highest points in my personal and professional life. And sharing the same space with so many other globally admired Indians is a truly humbling experience. India has been continuously giving so much to the world by the way of knowledge, culture, arts, and sciences. Holding influential positions in business, policy, and every domain across the globe, Indians are well placed to leverage the nation and its interests. In my long professional career, I have been so fortunate to represent my organizations in India and abroad at various strategic level trade summits and decision making panels, and I am proud of it immense respect the Indians has across the world. I distinctly remember my trip to UAE as part of business delegation comprising of Gujarat business leaders, bureaucrats, and policy makers. It was an eye opener to network so closely with global giants. The youth are the real change agents of the country and central to the growth of a nation. We need to ensure they are brought up to work hard and not seek entitlement in their lives. I firmly believe they need to adopt a deserve before you desire mindset. Persistence and hard work are absolutely must, and I am sure this will help them attain everlasting success. And son of the soil, my roots keep me grounded. For me, every individual who has risen from the grassroots, despite constraints and disabilities, who has perfected the balance between personal, professional, and social lives, and has made a significant difference in social upliftment, is a person of success, irrespective of the stature and standing. I thank Passion Vista magazine for considering me worthy of this prestigious title of Most Admired Global Indian. Passion Vista has over the years given us some amazing stories and real life content, and I am sure they will continue to provide us brilliant success stories of fellow Indians across the globe. I wish the magazine all the best. Thank you.